All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Stock Navigator Private Trading Group. Today is October 28, 2019. I hope everybody have a good weekend. Okay, let's start to see that where the market is heading to right now. So let's take a quick look right now on the E-mini SP 500. We are very bullish. We try to break out at all-time high right now. So seems like the market is uh, try to go much higher. So, but however, on the top here, you have to watch out for the resistance line here. This is a red dot line here. This is a resistance line here. So very soon by the end of the year, they will get up to this one here. But in the meantime, we have to be a little bit careful because the market is already finished here. So we may have, let's see, if the market be able to punch through to go higher, or otherwise we will complete, this move here, okay, and then we will have some minor correction before we can head up there, all right, because we run up so fast on last week already, so right now it maybe they try to push a little bit more here, and then we have some minor correction because we can finish, the next move up there. Okay, so that the overall market is still very bullish, but let's see how they are going to do when the market open today. Okay, so the YM is the same thing. The Dow is head up right now. It want to, they try to get up here to test the sell zone over here, but it's similar to the ES. We are heading to this move here. So let's see what are they able to do when they hit to this level here. Okay, so if they were able to head up here, we have to a little bit cautious. We have to see how far they can push it up here, and then we will have some correction before we can head it up. All right. So anytime we in the final move, we have to be more careful. On the NQ is pretty strong. Right now we are heading up right here. Okay. So on the move on the circle number three here. Okay, so we hit up here, and then we have some correction here. So we're gonna get up there. All right, so that's for the NQ. At the final here, I think they will ending at pretty sure here, very shortly here, and then they have to be careful for the ABC now. Okay, so that's for that. For the Russell, they push it back up here right now. So we are in the final move also. So let's see the market be able to handle here or to see the end of the move here. So if that's the case, then we have to be careful. Okay, so the trend line support here. So this is the first side of topple. Okay, so just to see if they revert, will be loaded, and then they will be correct. Okay. Other than that, the trend is to upside, to high low will continue to the upside. Okay. So the oil, it tried to push it back up. As you see here, the oil it have been climb up from the bottom over here, and now they like to go up here. So let's see the resistance right now over here. Let's see if they're able to break out, go higher. Okay, to test it this line here, or they will give up at the top here and come back down here. Okay, so uh, you have to be careful up to the market open to see where they go. Okay, so right now the minor trend support up here. So looking for the support on the way up here. Okay, as long as they still handle the upside, and we take upside, but when they revert, you better quickly get out and then watch out for the support here. Watch out for the support here. If they break here, they get here. Break here, they get here. Okay. So, but in the bigger time frame, they do try to push it back up. So let's see they can test the upper trend line here. All right, for the oil, for the gas it try to go back up. So uh, they found the support over here or the buy zone here. Okay, as you can see, the market has get to the buy zone right here. So they hold up. Okay, so now they pull the tie. Okay, now this one here, and now they make a tie high, and then the tie low. So if they be able to hold it on this one here, they will have more room to go higher. Okay, and in the short term, you see that they pull back up, make a high low, and continue to do it. Okay, and then they see a resistance right here. So if they don't hold here, they will pull it back and tap this one, and before they can go higher. Okay, so that for the oil, and for the gold it tried to pull back up like last week. I told you if you don't get out the oil, I will get out the oil, and they pull back. This box we have been drawing since last week, and now they get into this level here. So we have to wait for here, and then to climb back up here. Okay, so if the market it will be correct, this one we try to move it in the other way. All right, so that's the direction of the goal for the bond. The bond is back down to the upper support line here. So the bond is getting weaker right now. As you can see, the bond is trying to, but they have a support here. So right now in the short term, they are finished here. So they are in the final move here. Okay, so after that one here, I think they will bow. Let's see if they'll be able to hold somewhere around here, or they will continue to go lower. If they continue to go lower, definitely the stock will have more room to go higher. Okay, so we will monitor it to see how they are doing today. Today, this week, not today and tomorrow, we don't have any major news, but on Wednesday and Thursday, we have the Fed announcement interest rate. So that will be a little bit volatile there. So if you're a day trader on Wednesday, you have to be careful because the market will be more volatile. To be careful on your stop loss. All right. So that's for the new for the oh man, this Bitcoin. I know that you have time to look at some of the posts I did live. I draw for your guy a long time ago, and then we keep watching this light. This is a major psychology level. Okay, I show you guys the picture of Mr. The president of China. They want to enroll to the Bitcoin, and they want to that's the only way. Maybe that's the only way that they can compete with the U.S. dollar by invest more in the Bitcoin in the blockchain. And right now, this is the bottom. They move it back up. This is the first way up. So definitely don't be jump in, when this is the first move up from the bottom. So definitely you have a chance. You have to wait for them to pull back down. So this is, they finish this one here, and then we have to be patient, wait for them to come down, and then we take another move. Okay. So this is the market that move exactly like the resistance and support. And if you know how to look at the chart, it's not because the news, but because when the market hit to the psychology level, it will bounce. Doesn't matter the news. Somehow the news it coincident at the same time when the market hit to the psychology level, 61.8 with trade money. It's like magic. It put back up right away. Okay, so that's how. If you understand it, this is exactly what it is. All right. So good morning, Alvarado. Have not seen you for a while. Okay. So this one here, and and you trade the Bitcoin. This is the direction that headed to the euro. The euro. Okay, we wrote it up for you. The euro it had been, go 1, 2, 3, and now they pull back to the support here. And let's see, they are going to bow back. Okay, from here, it's very close to the correction here. So if they be able to hold it right here, they hold high low, it confirm, they will come turn around and go the other way. Okay, they come lit to hit to the sell zone right here. Okay, so we have to monitor to see where the confirmation for the way on fire up. Okay, all right, so that's what we have for all the indices. Okay, we'll in few more minutes we will talk in depth about stock market and day trading. Okay, so right now we'll take 3 minute break and we'll go from there. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel by click the subscribe button below, so we can inform you every time we have a new update.